Hey, teacups. So, this is going to be a try on slash reaction slash first impressions video. So, I just got out of the shower and I was like, I need to try this body wrap on because I got it in the mail a few, maybe a couple weeks ago. You guys have probably seen these on the internet. Let me adjust my computer. But you guys have probably seen these on the internet. I have seen these and I wanted one, and Gazi sent me one. If you guys get the gummies from me still, then you know Nagazi and the company. Well, what happened was they sent me a body wrap like this one and it got lost. UPS lost it or whatever. So I went to Amazon and I purchased one so I would have some content for my Amazon store. So I don't know what I'm doing. And I just got through laughing with my daughter because I was just like, I'm going to try this and see if I know what I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm going to try it anyway. I don't even know which end. Okay, so this end right here has like a little leather strap. So we're gonna that in last, right? Then you have a piece of Velcro here. You have a piece of Velcro here, and then a long strip, and then you have a big piece of Velcro here, and then again on that leather side, you have another piece of Velcro. Do I know what I'm doing? No, but we're gonna see. Okay, so the first thing you do, I think, is you wrap this, but it's supposed to. I don't know what it's supposed to do. I don't know. I don't think this is right. Does it go like this? Maybe I should have watched a video. You think? Oh my god. I don't think that's right either. Okay, first off, if you don't know how to wrap yourself, so difficult. So difficult if you don't know how to wrap yourself. This is not going to be like your regular trainer. If you don't know how to wrap yourself, this is not going to be good. But it is tight. I will say that. And you could probably pull it tighter than you want. So this is the way it's supposed to look. Now, I just put mine on backwards, but that's the way it's supposed to look. So let's flip it on the other side and see if that actually works. How about that? Let me adjust my shirt again. So this is the rough part right here. It was backwards a minute ago. So now I've got it on the rough part. I'm going to lower it down a little bit, pull it a little bit tighter. But I don't see a Velcro part. So I don't know if this is like the wrong size, but Amazon only had two sizes. And I'm going to put the link in there. You can get a hold of this yourself. When I purchased this, I think the price was maybe $14, $14, $15. So it was not that expensive. And all right, plenty of room to spare. So this is what the wrap looks like. And you can exercise with it. You can wear it under your clothes. You can wear it on the outside of your clothes. Now, it actually makes my back feel good. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. My back feels good. Not gonna lie, it does snatch you a little bit. Don't look at my shorts. They're probably all up. I told y'all I just got out of the shower, so don't be coming for me in the comments. It's not at all uncomfortable, and I will say this about this body wrap is that it's actually more comfortable than the waist trainers I have in my drawer at home that live in my drawer because they're so uncomfortable. Adjust this. So I'm not mad at it. It actually felt pretty good. I'm going to give this a thumbs up. I'm going to go on Amazon and rate it. You guys tell me, would you get one of these or not? Would you try this? Is this something that you would do? By the way, yeah, this video is sponsored by my Amazon store. The link is in the description box, so I want you guys to go and check that out. Later on today, I'm going to go ahead and upload this video and put it on Amazon with the links to purchase if you guys want to purchase it. But I'm definitely giving this a thumbs up because it is comfortable. It made my back feel great. I'm probably going to put it on later. Like if I, plan to work out or something, or just go out, because I do have to go out and do some stuff, and, just kind of see how it wears. But the fiber is really stretchy. It's soft, it's bendable. And I feel like if you want an alternative to a waist trainer, this is it. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would you actually get this? Is this something that you would think about? Just to wear every day or exercise? Let me know in the comments. And in the meantime, if you want to get your own, click that Amazon link in my description box. If you are on social media, click it on my bio and go shopping. All right, guys, I love you. See you next time.